Are you ready to learn more colors in Spanish? Let's go. Hi, I'm Jessica, and these are my 5 Spanish words of the day. Today is part 2 of learning colors. We're going to learn pink, white, black, purple, and brown. Let's start with pink. In Spanish, pink is rosado. If you wanted to say this square is pink, you would say este cuadrado es rosado. Next is white, blanco. If you wanted to say this square is white, you would say este cuadrado es blanco. Our next color is black, negro. If you wanted to say this square is black, you would say este cuadrado es negro. Our next color is purple, morado. If you wanted to say this square is purple, you would say este cuadrado es morado. Our last color is brown, café. If you wanted to say this square is brown, you would say este cuadrado es café. Let's review. Pink is rosado. White is blanco. Black is negro. Purple is morado. Brown is café. Now let's test your knowledge. This square is pink. How do you say pink in Spanish? Rosado. This square is white. How do you say white in Spanish? Blanco. This square is black. How do you say black in Spanish? Negro. This square is purple. How do you say purple in Spanish? Morado. This square is brown. How do you say brown in Spanish? Café. Thanks so much for joining me on my 5 Spanish words of the day. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.